Ramogi ne walero ni Gavana machon ma kaunti ma Bungoma Wycliffe Wangamati kaachiel kod ji mamoko ne ochopo e nyim EACC ma andiko dhogi chal ka gima osetik dadho kendo gitwak kod jofwambo. Winjo na achiel kaka chenro dhi nyime.
But because they want to punish him, they are taking him around in circles, and that's it's important we come out and tell it to Kenyans so that whatever happened to Ojwang does not happen to the former governor of Wangamati. Yes, that we are aware. One, they have not released the governor on police bond. Two, they have kept him waiting for 5 hours. Three, until Mr. Wetangula's brother announced to run for the position of governor, EACC had nothing against the governor. So then they went up to on some old file to cook up a story, and then they put the governor on a list of persons who are supposed to be charged. I can tell you as a lawyer, that they have a charge known as conflict of interest. That is the only charge which they are bringing the governor here, at conflict of interest. They have no evidence whatsoever. None, hata moja hakuna, against the governor. Yet they arrest him and bring him here. But the beauty is that the Kenyan legal system works. And the governor will eventually be acquitted. We know it is Wetangula who has made this call because we know what he's capable of doing, and we have had this information for quite some time. That is why the EACC CEO is hiding in his office. He does not want to come out here and tell Wangamati that I am in charge of EACC. I am releasing you on police bond to appear in court tomorrow. Why is he taking us around in circles if there is nothing he is hiding?
Is there any amount attached to the charge?
Yes, there are various amounts which they say the governor has received. And as I said, on conflict of interest charge, there is no evidence whatsoever. And we challenge EACC and ODPP. We challenge them. Show us the evidence that the money came to the governor's account. Even 1 shilling that he did influence these tenders, none at all. None at all. So it is just political persecution, and we are warning them that this one must stop, otherwise they will start damaging the institution.
Mago gin moko kuom twak mabende kod ichiwo kod okil ma Gavana machon ma Bungoma mano Wycliffe Wangamati nyaka gibed kod paro mopogore winjo gikwayo magiketo ne duol mochune kedo kod mibadhi e pacho ka EACC kaachiel kod apisi mar jomin buche. Wan gi geno report machal kamano Cynthia Nyango bolos nokoromo sa achiel mar odhiambo. Riwruok mok mar piny owacho ma Shofco kelo kanyakla riwruok ma jodongo mawuok e dhoudi mopogore pacho ka mangima ma twak e midhiero ma chando jopiny ahinya to motimre kod rito kido kod timbe oganda kaachiel gi lwasi makare ma siasa. Romoni mane obagi boma Nairobi kuom ndalo